up, you guys? Back with another video, and today I am going to be showing you part 2 of my fidget collection. Now, I'm not going to be showing my slimes or my squishies because I have tons and tons of both of those. It would take way too long to show you guys. I'd have to have like 2 or 3 parts just for those. But we're going to go right back to where we held off yesterday. So let's go. Sorry, bad transition. Boom, right here. So we did all of these drawers. Now let's move on to this. In here, I have spiky balls. And crawly critter things. So, yeah, there are just several of these, and I have this little, like, spiky thing. Those are all my, like, spiky things. Up here, I have bike chains back here. I have 5. That black one, that orange, blue, and black. And then I have all my pea poppers and my clear one and my peanut popper. Up here I have marble meshes. And then over here to the side, I have a giant fidget cube, buttercream frosting, and this squishy. Now, I'm going to have to bring you guys down here for my mini poppets. I have dozens of mini poppets, so first I'll start off by showing you guys. Wait, you know what? I have a perfect idea, guys. And octopus thingies. Bracelets. Super miniatures. Pretty medium-sized small ones. Keychained. Again, I fall again, fall again, fall again. Oh no, when I see you again, 'cause I non-keychained ones. You could just try, but that's just a lie. I need to find you. When I try, I can't deny another time with you. Hi guys, hope you really liked that like musical idea. So, this is my bin of stress balls. Okay, time to show you guys. First of all, I have, by this giant Nido. You've probably seen it in a few videos too. Next, I have this, and And you know what? I am going to go grab my tripod now. Again. Okay, yeah, so guys, that was not working. Very sorry about that. Here we go. This is my dumpling. Comes in this cute little container. It's adorable. Yeah, I got my tripod here and I was trying to like put my phone in it. I wish God knew how hard that would be. Okay. So yeah. It kind of works, but there's nothing for me to set it up on. So I have this glow-in-the-dark Neato. Kind of onto my Neatos now, guys. This teal Neato. This blue to pink color changing Neato. This, I know you're probably thinking it's the same thing, but if you really, I don't know if you can really tell, but this is more like of a periwinkle. That's why I got it. So periwinkle, and I have this green one. This yellow to orange color changing Neato. Purple Neato. Blue shaggy Neato. Blue glitzy Neato. Oh, that's not a Neato. Oh, this is pink to purple color changing Neato. Cyan cat Neato. Purple cat Neato. And strawberry Neato. I think, nope, I got a few, I got at least one more. Orange Neato. And I think that's going to be it for our Neato section. Similar to Neatos. Let's go. This is a gumball. It's pretty much a Neato, but you know. It's a snowball. Super cool. This one I guess is similar. It's like just this little like color changing ball. I don't really know. It doesn't have a brand. And then I have this really kind of like molding pink dough ball. Oh, I almost forgot. I have this blue Stardust Neato. But that's it for that section. Now I'm going to be showing splat balls. This is so dirty, I so need to clean this off. But this egg yolk one, it has so much hair all over it. Ew. I need to clean that. So sorry about that, guys. This poop. This eyeball. Think that's gonna be it for that section. Now I'm going to be showing you Orbeez stress ball. This blue Orbeez stress ball. This teal Orbeez stress ball. And this is kind of like, this is a DNA glow ball. I also have this DNA glow ball. They have Orbeez in them, so I thought that would be where they would go. Now I'm going to be showing you guys like air stress balls. So I have this alligator. This bunny. stuck. And I know I have one more. Oh, here it is. And this hippo. Now I'm going to move on to water stress balls. I have this pineapple. And I think that's probably it. I think I only have that one. But I have this sand banana as well. I'll go ahead and show you. I think that's kind of it for that. But oh, I do have this. This is kind of a random one too. It's like a dough ball, hard sumo wrestler thing. So don't really know about that guy, but yeah. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys mesh balls. I have this bat Orby mesh ball. I have this normal Orby mesh ball. I have this purple mesh ball. I have this yellow mesh ball. It's really hard. This blue mesh ball. Uh-oh, it fell. This green mesh ball. Oh, okay. I think I'm on to like the mini mesh balls now. I have this yellow color changing to pink mini mesh ball. I have this blue mini mesh ball. I have this purple mini mesh ball. And I have this silver mini mesh ball. I must have missed one of the Orby ones, but I'll show you this first. This actually should be in my other bin, but I have this like foam bead mini mesh ball. That should be in my favorite bin though, so yeah, I missed a few Orbeez and a splat ball. I am so sorry, you guys, that those aren't in their categories, but I'm about to show them to you. Okay, here's the tomato splat ball that I missed. And then I have this yellow Orby stress ball I missed. And this white Orby stress ball that I missed. But those are all my stress balls, and that's actually going to be the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm sorry I had to do this in 2 parts, and that these videos were decently long. But I really hope you guys are happy with these, and thank you just incredibly so much for watching me. I really want to grow as a YouTuber. Like, my dream is to be able to like have a plaque or something, like even the smallest plaque like would just like mean so much to me. So if you guys could subscribe, that would be just great, and please keep watching and hitting those like buttons. I will say I've noticed that YouTube is not letting me, not really letting anyone comment on my videos anymore. So if you would, guys, I made a little like playlist of this video I know it's really weird. It's called Human Eating Tomatoes. I don't know why, but they're letting people comment on that video. So if you could, guys, if you ever have any like Fidget suggestion video ideas for me or anything that you would like to share, I would love for you to share. So I've made that playlist, so you could just click on playlists on my YouTube channel and be able to watch them. Like, well, not necessarily watch that video, but just like, I have a lot of like other ones too in there that might be useful, like of like my like series and stuff. So if you guys would go to that in the playlist, you can comment here or something like that. If you have any suggestions, please, I really would recommend you go and get in there and giving me some suggestions. Thank you so much, and bye guys.